Hello guys, welcome back to the channel. If you are new here, please subscribe the channel before the video start. In today's video, I will discuss what is module. So let's start the video. A module is a single file that contains reusable code such as a function, classes, variables, Python statements, expressions. Instead of writing all your code in a one file, you can divide it into different modules. This makes program easier to read, manage, and reuse. So let's see. So simple definition for module is a module is a Python file .py that contains reusable code such as a function, classes, variable, and statements. Why do we use modules? Modules are used reuse code in different programs, organize code into separate files, reduce duplicate code, make debugging and maintenance easier, improve readability. The types of modules. So there are mainly two types of modules. So first one is a built-in module. These modules are already provided by Python. Example math, which this is a collection of mathematical operations, random numbers, OS, operating system, time, date time, system. And then the example is the first one is the import math. So I told you the math is a collection of mathematical operations. So print math dot square root. Square root is a function which is a present already in the math module. So what is the square root of 25 is a 5. Print math dot factorial. What is the factorial of the 5? 5 is a 120. The second type is a user defined module. These are module created by the programmer. Step 1, create a module calculator.py. So def add a comma 5. So let's start the example. This okay. So this is the example. So value of a is suppose we put 10 and the value of b is 20 and then it return a plus b, concat a plus b, then what will be the output? It will be the 30. And then the def subtract a comma b, the a minus b, what will be the output? What will be the output? 10, not 10, guys. A's value is a 10 and b's value is a 20. A minus b minus 10. यही हम गलती कर देते हैं. So देखो जरा, ठीक से देखो example. So this is the reusability because we just define the one time a comma b, then again we reuse that code, subtract the value. Use the module import calculator, add 10 comma 5, subtract 10 minus 5. It is the 15 and 5. How to import a module? Import the entire module. Import math. Just two words we can import the module. The print math dot square root. We see we I told you before the example. The import a specific function from math import square root. So इसमें क्या है कि मतलब math एक मॉड्यूल है और मैथ के अंदर बहुत सारे मैथमेटिकल ऑपरेशन फंक्शन क्लासेस है और उसमें का जो स्क्वायर रूट का फंक्शन है वो हमने लिया है इसमें स्पेसिफिक फंक्शन यहाँ पे लिया है मैथ मॉड्यूल का दैट इज ऑल अबाउट स्क्वायर रूट ऑफ 36 व्हाट इज 6 import with an alias is it is the short form of the module uh, we can like this import pandas as pd we write this import math as a yum short form of the math. It is nothing just like a print m dot py before you write the math dot py. So it is the just a short form of the module. Import everything not recommended from math module star. So asterisk is a it indicates all the function, all the uh, operations in the module we indicate. No need to write a specific function or something. So this is all about square root. The 49, what will be the output? 7. Common built-in modules. So module and the purpose of the module. The module is a mathematical operations. Random module generate random numbers. OS work with files and operating systems. Time related function. Date and time operations. SYS system specific function. So advantages of module: code reusability, better organization, easier maintenance, easier debugging, improved reliability, faster development. Real life example. Imagine a school. Math teacher teaches mathematics, science teacher teaches science, English teacher teaches English. Each teacher has a specific responsibilities. And similar in a math model, mathematical functions, operations, random module, random number generation. It generate the random numbers between the lists. OS module, operating system task. Each module perform a specific task. Some interview questions with short answers. What is module? A module is a single file .py extension file containing reusable code such as function, classes, and variables. Why do we use modules? To organize code, reuse it, reduce duplication, and make maintenance easier. What are the types of modules? Built-in modules and user-defined the modules. There are only two types of modules. Give example of built-in modules: math, OS, random, date time, SYS. What is the user-defined module? A Python module created by the programmer. How do you import a module? Import math. That's simple. How do you import a specific function, which I told you, from math import square root? What is an alliance in a Python? A alliance is another name given to module using the keyword, like a short form of the module. What is the advantages of module? Reusability, organization, readability, maintenance. Name three built-in module. Math, random, OS. So, thank you for watching this video. गाइस सब्सक्राइब करो चैनल को और दीदी को जरा सपोर्ट करो. सो आप सब देखते हो चैनल वीडियोस देखते हो बट कोई लाइक नहीं करता सब्सक्राइब नहीं करता. इट्स वेरी डिसअपॉइंटिंग फॉर मी. सो प्लीज डू लाइक द वीडियो एंड सब्सक्राइब माय चैनल. थैंक यू फॉर watching this video. Thank you so much.